I'm Vanessa Joy, and I'm going to teach you why and how you should be using high-speed sync with your Flash. Thanks so much to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. It is super bright outside. I'm squinting, not particularly attractive right now. I love to shoot wide open with this lens, but if I have a flash that doesn't use high-speed sync, then I need to match my shutter speed to the sync speed of this light. And that kind of stinks, because if I were to take a picture right now at my shutter sync speed, which is 200 on this camera, the Canon R5, and I'm all the way down at 1.2 and I take a picture, yeah, that's what it looks like. It's just totally blown out. I can't photograph that way. So what high-speed sync allows you to do is it allows you to raise your shutter past your camera's sync speed. So that means that instead of having to get a proper exposure before I use a flash of, say, looks like f4.5, and get all of that detail in the background, like you can see the car, you can see just way too much. Instead, I can set my aperture all the way down to 1.2 and raise my shutter speed to get a proper exposure, which for this scene, if I'm gonna get a proper exposure with 1.2, I'll probably be somewhere around 2500. All right, so that's where I wanna be. So how do we make this all come together? That's why we use it. Now here's how. I'm gonna put my Profoto transmitter right on top. So what I've got here is my Profoto B10. We're going to put on, I'm gonna switch with you. I'm gonna put on my Manny Ortiz Beauty Dish. This is a Westcott light. Very easy to assemble, but we already did that. We're just gonna plop it on. This is gonna be a great light for Samantha. Flop and plop. All right, and then we're gonna get Samantha where we want her. I think you're gonna hang out next to this pig. Don't worry, the pig won't be in the picture. All right, and what I wanna do is I want it on the same side that the sun is sort of coming and hitting Samantha. So right about here should be good. I do need it somewhat close, but I also want it a little bit feathered, probably right about there. So I will switch with you now. Camera, you hang on to that, and we will get going. I'm gonna get out of auto, and I'm just gonna dial in this manually. I literally can't see a thing in front of me. All right, let's get an exposure just for my background. I think what I really want is this direction. Yes, that looks good. I'm able to blur out this car back here that I definitely don't want in the picture. Right around 8,000. Good, so I'm gonna go ahead, put this on. I'm gonna dial this all the way up. I'm just gonna go to full power and start there because I know it's bright. It's probably what I need. Good. All right, come a little bit closer. Good, so she needs to be super close to this. All right, so I'm gonna back up a little bit, lower my shutter speed slightly. And that's working nicely. So Samantha, mess with your arms, maybe do arms crossed. Yeah, that looks good. There it is. Awesome. Hey photographers, before we jump in, I just want to take a minute to thank our sponsor, Squarespace, for sponsoring this video. Now, if you are a photographer who's thinking about having a website, think about using Squarespace. And let me just tell you, this isn't hype. I personally have used Squarespace for like well over a decade for so many of the websites I have had in the past. It's one of the biggest front-facing things I've done for my business. And here's why. Number one, it's beautiful, photographer friendly, tons of templates. Your website is your first impression, and Squarespace gives you clean, modern templates that make your photos look like $1 million without needing a designer. Drag, drop, done. And of course, you could hire Squarespace designers. There's a ton of them. It also has built-in SEO that actually works. The galleries, that's another big thing. You know, they make sure they don't take forever to load. Squarespace's engine optimizes the way that your photos look, so they're always crisp and clean, even on mobile. Fourth, integrated client booking tools and contracts. If you're trying to go to e-commerce and delivering, maybe you're selling prints, Squarespace keeps everything all in one place. If you've been trying to DIY your website or use something else, stop. Give yourself the same professional presence you give to your clients. Head over to Squarespace. I've got a discount for you. You can use this code. Thank you again, Squarespace, for sponsoring me, this channel, and supporting photographers and supporting this community, making it possible for myself and photographers everywhere to keep working. Okay, back to the video. Now the light is in her face. I want to move her a little bit because we're still getting a lot of flare up from the sidewalk coming up, and it's blowing out, and I don't want that. So I'm gonna have you come against here, and we'll use this and follow it this way. I'm just looking at the sun. You can go all the way back. Yeah, right about there. And this is gonna come closer. Keep coming. Right there. Good. Plop it right there. So maybe kind of come this way. Yeah. Perfect. Now we're getting a little bit more light where we want it. Take a step backwards, see if I can get you, keep going, so we get a little bit more shade on you. There you go. Now I'm not getting the highlights on her. We can move this closer to her. Awesome, and now I'm getting a fun flare. Let's go ahead, come right about here. And we're gonna bring that back there, kind of, but a little bit closer. Actually, can I just switch with you? So we're gonna aim this down a little bit more. Right about there. Perfect. So that's going there, nice and close. And I'll get a couple more, and they'll all stop sweating and go inside. Awesome. Give like just a little bit more hip this way. Yeah. Good. Take actually a step forward. Yeah, right there. Nice. That looks great. Kind of like just mess with your hair a little bit, and then back eyes to me. That's it. Good. There it is. So now we've got a completely blurred background, flash filling in where we want it to, and we're all sweating, so we're gonna go inside. Thank you so much for watching here on YouTube. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Hopefully not sweating.